expensive. And just not really seeking margin, it's not very good production. So me and the boss at the time, we brought in a system called Lanzani from Italy.
To show them how
So it's a very hard system, and they have a very similar system to their system, but it's very similar to this. So all the work came in, and so the operator just have their box game to them. So you take that on the bottom, automatically absorbs the work, start to put down, so they know exactly how they have to produce it, get it back, make it back. So we found that increased our production from about so it's 450 over used to massively increase our productivity. Because a lot of times, well, when you have all these trolleys, some just get put to one side and forgot about it. And you are, I used to now ship to the factory and you're like, one piece is missing again.